Today we're doing makeup that's going to close you that deal, that's going to get you into that next level of corporate environment, and you're going to look good. You're going to be confident. Let's do this. You guys know me. I am Miss Glam. I am heavy, full coverage queen. But today we are going to do a natural makeup look. A lot of you guys have been requesting it from me, and I'm going to show you my corporate glam. I've worked in spaces where it's kind of inappropriate to wear full-on glam, but girl, I show up with a full face of makeup, and if you want to fire me, go ahead. Start with the eyes because I feel like that's going to be super simple because I want to keep it simple. You just don't want to overdo it, but you also want, well, for me, I also want a full coverage look. So I'm going to start with the eyes. I go ahead and conceal just the discoloration in my eyes. I'm going to be looking over here because I have a mirror right here. And sorry for all the background noise. So I'm just going to go ahead and conceal my eyes. I went ahead and I concealed my eyes. And from this step on, we are going to do corporate glam. You guys working that 9 to 5. I feel you. I get you. And yeah, so as you can see, I'm pretty whited out right now. But that's okay because I want to look awake at my job even though I want to be sleeping. You know? I just want to be sleeping. So I'm going in with the Naked Reloaded palette, and I'm just going to go in with a transition shade. You guys, this is like the most simple look ever. I'm going to go in with Bribe. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'm going in with Bribe, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid with a very fluffy brush. This is like beginner's makeup, corporate beginner's makeup. Let me use a clean brush because that was not clean. Make sure that your makeup is on there because you're going to be working that 9 to 5 though. So you really want to make sure your makeup's going to last all day through the tears of actual work, unless you like your job, which is amazing. I'm going to go in with a darker color called Bucked, which is a traditional Urban Decay color. And then I'm just going to go in my sides. I just do this almost every day. But I'm going to do it a little bit lighter today just because you really want to keep it simple for work. You don't want your eyes to scream out, I love doing makeup, you know? So just keep it really simple and just define the crease. Just define it. A little bit more. This is Endgame, and I'm just going to smudge it right there so for that definition, just to look a little bit more blended. Now that I have my eye base on, I'm going to go ahead and tag my lash line with shadow. I'm going to get this shadow a tiny bit wet so it goes on a little bit more creamy. But I'm just going to go ahead and do my lash line, just tag my lash line with shadow with a eyeliner pencil. This will just give you definition without that in-your-face liner, like graphic liner. Now that I'm getting that as a base, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this eye because I cannot see very well. Now that I have my shadow on, it's a little bit softer than a eyeliner. For me, this is work appropriate. I feel like if you go in the office with this kind of eye makeup, it's not a big deal. So, and if I were a manager or HR, I wouldn't care if you wore makeup like this. But I'm going to go ahead and clean off the edges here. I feel like it's so simple that so many people can do this. I am going to go ahead and move on to the skin. And I'm going to use this. This is new to me. I haven't used this yet. And I saw Jeffree Star use this, and I was like, that looks good. It is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Brightening Serum. We're going to try it. This is, you're supposed to pat this into your skin, and it's supposed to be a primer, I believe. Let me see. A poreless translucent primer. So we're going to pat this into our skin and see how we like it. It smells like pineapple juice. And it's supposed to be good for your pores and brightening. Go ahead and put SPF on before this. I forgot to do it, and I feel like I cheated myself. But I'm going to take off my makeup anyways after this. So I put SPF on even on days I'm not wearing makeup because, you guys, it's very, very important. As you can see, I have a lot of sun damage and a lot of pigmentation to my skin, so I put on SPF no matter what. We're gonna go ahead and go in with Too Faced Born This Way foundation mixed with the Wonder Beauty foundation, just because I'm a little bit darker because I am tanned right now. Okay guys, for a corporate look, I like full coverage skin, and I think that no one would really clock you for having too much skin on. I feel like the biggest thing for corporate is eye makeup, lipstick, and lashes. I feel like are a really big thing if you're going overboard. Skin, not so much. A base color, of course, if you're gonna put too much contour or too much highlight, then you're going into a little bit more of a problematic too much makeup look. But I feel like skin, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. That's my theory, I guess. You could say it's my theory. But we're gonna go in with a really natural base. You guys, don't look at my armpits. I shaved and then I put sunless tanner on and it got into my pores. Don't look. So now we have our base makeup on, and literally, you guys, this is like such an easy makeup look. Anybody could do it. So now I have my base on and it looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and do our under eyes, and I'm going in with my Becca under eye brightener. That's just my staple. I gotta get more because this is just my fave. We're doing that right now, and yeah, so there's that. Going in with my e.l.f. camo concealer, and I'm just really getting in there. Like I said, this is a really light concealer for my skin tone right now, so we'll see how this balances out. I will add some darker concealer if I have to, which I might have to. This is Too Faced Sun Bunny Bronzer. Dude, I've been using this for, I don't know, 10 years. Not the same one. Imagine. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Light Edit palette, and we're gonna go in with on the tops of our cheeks with some pink. And to me, I look so corporate, it's not even funny. I go in with my Urban Decay Brow Blade. This is like my holy grail brow product. Sorry, I'm gonna hunch over for this, but like this is like a step you cannot mess up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows. You know, before I do mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist. First time I'm using it. I don't want to get my hair all gross. Ooh, I kind of like this. That is nice. This is supposed to be hydrating and radiance. Okay, I love. Shape of the bottle though. I'm gonna put some liquid lipstick on. This is the Ofra Manila lipstick. You guys have been asking me about this lipstick. One of my like holy grails. I love Ofra's lipsticks. And you can use my code JustDreamsOf for 30% off. Isn't that incredible? Now you can do whatever you want with your lashes. I will show you what it's gonna look like without lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes, and we're gonna go curl my lashes. A Better Than Sex mascara. There's my corporate tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This is the most doled down look I've ever done on this channel, Instagram, whatever it is. But if you guys have any questions, if you want me to do a more natural look, I guess, more like beach makeup, I will do that too. The reason why I wouldn't wear lashes is if I'm meeting with someone and I feel like my lash is popping off and you're like self-conscious, or you're like, oh gosh, do my lashes look too much? I know Ardell makes really like very simple lashes. That's probably the only lash that I would wear, and make sure that those puppies are glued down tight in the inner corners, because sometimes lashes just want to like ping off. But if you want to make sales and look good, bitch, you put on whatever you want. Trust me, I was in sales before, and trust me, I was in full-on cute makeup, cute lips, cute eyes, lashes and all, and I sold like a mother. So, girl, do your thing. You look good. If you look good, you feel good, and you will close those deals. If you have any questions or anything that you want me to film, go ahead and put them down below, and I will see you guys later.